surfing.
Put your skates on, dive right into pond hockey. Pond hockey.
Yeah, the boots in here
And the blades out there.
got the beer in here.
And the biscuits out there.
Hey, it's warm in here.
But it's cold out there.
There's a roof in here.
But I want a roof out there.
Say what you have to make a deal with your spouse.
Just get your ass down to the warming house. Pond hockey. Pond hockey.
I gotta push some snow.
They were in it to win it,
out.
and they said, we're coming in here. They've been in the final 8 the last...
I mean, I just think about the endorsements. I think about all the different things that they're going to have coming their way.
Pride, man, pride.
Golden Shovel pride.
We came from all over the place. A couple guys from Chicago, a couple guys from New York, and I came from London. But it really doesn't matter where you come from. I mean, this is the greatest event. We basically mark this on our calendar every year. We've been here 3 straight years. We love it. It's a highlight of the year for us.
We're going down to Lake Calhoun.
We got brats cooking on the fire.